Today we're going to talk about an effect that can instantly elevate your UI designs and give them that premium, modern, almost futuristic look, the glass effect, sometimes called liquid glass in Figma. If you've seen interfaces with translucent panels, soft background blur, subtle highlights, and a strong sense of depth, that's exactly the kind of visual style we're talking about. The glass effect in Figma is a native feature that allows you to simulate real glass properties, like refraction, depth, and frost, directly on your design elements. This isn't just a simple blur layered on top of something. It's a more advanced visual simulation that makes your components feel like they're made of actual material. One of the best things about this effect is how flexible it is. You can apply it to frames, rectangles, circles, text, or even vector shapes. All you have to do is select your object, go to the Effects panel on the right sidebar, click the plus icon, and then change the default effect, which is usually a drop shadow, to glass. As soon as you apply it, your element starts to take on that translucent, layered appearance. What really makes the glass effect powerful, though, is the level of customization it offers. Once the effect is active, you can open its settings and fine-tune several properties. You can control the light angle and intensity to define where the light source is coming from and how strong it is. This directly affects how highlights and reflections appear on the surface, adding realism and dimension. You can also adjust the refraction setting, which controls how much the background behind your object is optically distorted. This is what creates that authentic glass illusion, where content underneath looks slightly bent or shifted. The depth setting changes the perceived thickness of the glass and influences how rounded or solid the edges feel. Increasing depth can make the object look heavier and more tangible. The frost parameter manages the amount of background blur, similar to a background blur effect, allowing you to move from fully transparent glass to a more frosted, privacy-style surface. Dispersion adds a subtle chromatic aberration along the edges, creating a faint rainbow-like effect that enhances realism. And finally, the splay setting controls how light spreads across a surface, affecting the softness and diffusion of reflections. To achieve a truly realistic result, your background plays a huge role. A high contrast or colorful background will make the refraction and blur much more visible and impactful. If the background is too flat or neutral, the effect can feel underwhelming. You can also connect the glass properties to Figma variables within your design system, which makes it easier to adapt the effect for light and dark modes without manually adjusting every element. For an even more polished look, consider combining the glass effect with subtle additional details. A very light white inner shadow can enhance the shine along the edges, and a gradient stroke can simulate the thickness of the material. These small refinements are what turn a basic glass look into something that feels realistic and high-end. The glass effect in Figma is more than just a visual trend. It's a powerful tool to add depth, hierarchy, and sophistication to your interfaces. When used thoughtfully, it can transform a simple layout into a layered, immersive experience that feels modern and alive.